किया कि मैं अपनी और अपनी पार्टी की जानिब से जो मसाइल है उन मसाइल को हुकूमत के सामने रखूं। मोहतरम स्पीकर साहब, हालिया इससे पहले जो असेंबली का सेशन और उससे पहले भी हुआ तो स्कूल एजुकेशन पर बहुत तफसीली बहस मुबाहिसा हुआ था और काफ़ी तफसीलात मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन की जानिब से हमने हुकूमत के सामने पेश की थी और उम्मीद बनाई थी और उम्मीद थी कि तालीम के इस मैदान में हुकूमत की जानिब से मौसर इक़दामात किए जाएंगे और बुनियादी सहूलतों का जो मसला सारे सरकारी मदारिस में है उसको हल किया जाएगा। हुकूमत ने ज़रूर अपने इस नोट के ज़रिए बहुत सारी बातें की हैं और सबसे पहले मेजर माइलस्टोन कहा फॉर द ईयर 24-25, that is the enhancement of diet and cosmetic charges। मेरी बात ख़राब दिखेगी मगर मैं इस बात पे यकीन करता हूँ कि तनकीद बराए तामीर हो। अगर मैं इसका अंग्रेज़ी में तर्जुमा करूँ तो उसका मतलब ये है कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म। तो प्लीज़ टेक इट एज अ कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म। आपने बड़ा अच्छा जुमला इस्तेमाल किया कि एनहांसमेंट ऑफ डाइट एंड कॉस्मेटिक चार्जेस। अब जब ये पूरे नोट को मैं पढ़ता हूं तो कुछ कॉस्मेटिक काम जरूर हुआ है एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट पे, अभी बहुत होना बाकी है। दे से दैट कॉस्मेटिक लिटिल बिट ऑफ थोड़ा सा मेकअप हुआ है, अभी बहुत काम होना है। ठीक है, लेकिन मैं यहां खड़े रहकर जरूर ये कहूंगा, ये बात जो मुझे महसूस हुई है मेरे सारे पॉलिटिकल कैरियर में, वो ये है कि इख्तिदार से दूर रहने पर जो आजादी रहती है वो इख्तिदार में आने के बाद महदूद हो जाती है। मतलब मेरी ये है सर, again if I have to translate this, when you're away from power or you're not in the ruling party, then you're free to say anything and you can dream of anything, you can say anything and you can demand anything. But once you occupy the treasury benches, there are many ways in which you're really, I don't know whether it is, I would say it is a helpless situation or इख्तिदार की मजबूरियां होती हैं। Sir, when I go in that, sir, I welcome the enhancement of the charges for the class 3rd to 7th, 950 से 1330 करे हैं sir, and I also welcome category, 8th class to 10th class existing rates were 1100 and it has been enhanced to 1540. And for inter to PG, the existing rates were 1,500 and it has been enhanced to 2,100, sir. सर, मैं बड़ी ही मौजरत के साथ माफ़ी चाहते हुए सर, with all my respect to the chair, sir, I would like to ask one question, sir. Sir, every day we legislatures, whenever the session is there in progress, of course, we have been provided with lunch. सर, एक मेंबर पे कितने पैसे दे रहे हैं साहब आप लंच को? सर, no, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, now if I take into consideration the enhanced rate for the class 3 to 7, that is 1,330, sir. If this amount is divided, if this is divided in 30 days, if it is divided in 30 days, sir, एक दिन एक दिन 3 टाइम का खाना, 1 day 3 meals, the costing which the government have enhanced is 44 rupees 33 paisa. सर आप बताइए सर, वो हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा वाले वो लोग भी खाना दे रहे हैं साहब, तो वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि 23 रुपए में पड़ता है एक मील. सर इज इट पॉसिबल सर? 44 रुपीज 33 पैसा में 3 मील. Let us ask these questions to our own conscience. Sir, when we go to 8 to 10 standard, enhanced rate 1,540, 30 days again, sir 51 rupees 33 paisa. Inter to PG, sir, it has been enhanced to 2,100, that is 70 rupees per day for 3 meals. So now the question arises, sir, I welcome this move. चलिए कुछ तो हुआ, यहां तो कुछ नहीं हुआ था, अब यहां पे कुछ हुआ. But through you, sir, I want to request to the government, kindly look into this. Sir, I'm once again very sorry, my learned friend, my dear colleague and very old friend of mine who has been there with me, Sridhar Babu, might feel bad, but he was there in Public Accounts Committee where I was heading as a chairman. Sir, both of us, we had questioned this, and we both had said, how is it possible that you would provide meals in such pricing? Sir, we were the one who had, and I still remember, sir, as in my chairmanship, it was Sridhar Babu who had said कि increase ये जो पकाने वाले हैं 1,000 में कैसे बनाएंगे, इनके पैसे तो बढ़ाइए बोल के he was the person. Sir, अब ये भी जो है, क्या ये is it fair enough, sir? Sir, we need to increase this, sir. Sir, अगर फिर आपको खराब दिखेगा सर, मैं कह रहा हूं कि मैं जब तनकीद करता हूं तो बड़ा तामीर होती है सर. सर आपने 3,000 किया सर, बट कांग्रेस मैनिफेस्टो में पकाने वालों के लिए कहा गया द मंथली सैलरी ऑफ मिड डे मील वर्कर वर्किंग इन ऑल गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स विल बी इंक्रीज टू 10,000. तो अब 3 हुआ है, इंशाल्लाह मुझे उम्मीद है कि बजट आए तो एक 5 होगा, फिर उसके बाद में एक 7 होगा, होते होते पब्लिक में जाने 5 साल बाद पब्लिक में जाने से पहले मुझे उम्मीद है कि 10,000 होगा, मुझे उम्मीद है. सर नाउ सर going further ahead, sir, about the midday meal, sir. Ab sir, now I was hearing everybody, but it is so sad, sir, none had pointed out this important point. Midday meals include cost of pulses, vegetable, oil and fats, salt, and gas, and also including egg. Sir, अंडा कितने में है सर? 5 rupees, 7 rupees, 7 rupees. अब आप बताइए सर, मिड डे मील सर, ओल्ड जो रेट्स था सर, 1st to 5th सर, it was 5 rupees 45 paisa. New rate sir, it is 6 rupees 19 paisa. 7 रुपए में अंडा है साहब, यहां पे 6 रुपए में दे रहे, अंडा भी नहीं आता साहब इसमें. फिर कैसा अंडा बोल के लिखते हैं साहब. अब इफ आई स्पीक इन एन एग्रेसिव वे तो गुस्से में आ जाएंगे, उठ जाएंगे. तो आई एम वेरी सर, शांति से बोल रहा हूं, बड़े काम डाउन तरीके से बोल रहा हूं, हंसते हुए बोल रहा हूं, मगर मैं आपकी तवज्जो पे ये बात ला रहा हूं. सर अब 6th से 10th को अगर लेते हैं सर, ओल्ड रेट्स वेर 8 rupees 17 paisa and new rates are 9 rupees 29 paisa. That is increase of 1 rupee 12 paisa. And again, if we have to go 9 to 10, sir, earlier it was 10 rupees 67 paisa. Now it is being made to 11 rupees 79 paisa, an increase of 1 rupee 12 paisa. So now if we have to see the increase, sir, in the midday meal, For 1st to 5th, only 74 paisa have been increased. For 6th to 8th, 1 rupee 12 paisa has been increased. 9 to 10, 1 rupee 12 paisa has been increased. So am I wrong in calling this as a cosmetic changes? Please understand this, sir. Sir, it is so sad, sir. हम बार बार कहते हैं कि जिंदगियों से अगर अंधेरों को निकालना है, नए उजालों को लाना है, तो इल्म हासिल करो। जिंदगी से मायूसी को दूर करना है और खुशहाली को लाना है, तो इल्म हासिल करो। जिंदगी में नाकामियों को दूर करना है और कामयाबियां हासिल करनी है, तो इल्म हासिल करो। जिंदगी में अगर तरक्की याफ्ता मुल्क बनाना है, तो हमको अपने बच्चों को जेवर तालीम से आरास्ता करना पड़ेगा। उनको सबसे बड़ी ताकत इल्म की जो है, उस ताकत को देना होगा। लेकिन सर, आई वुड लाइक टू कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड एंड से दैट, सर, आई नो दैट there are many departments like finance department, electricity department, irrigation department, so much if you know, I would say कि सही तरीके से गवर्न नहीं किया गया, मैनेज नहीं किया गया, या करप्शन के इल्जामात है, जो भी है, but I will tell you the education department was worse, sir, in the BRS government, and it was neglected by the BRS government, sir, and you have inherited this department, sir. You need to take a special care for this, sir. Always the education department has been neglected, sir. Only by establishing residential schools, colleges will not answer the question, sir. Sir, now the question which arises is that, is it not the failure of the government? I'm not pointing and saying that this government or this government, any government, sir. The mushrooming of private schools itself gives a reply to us that the government is failing in education system. Sir, in UK, in USA, school education is free. And everybody takes a pride in studying in a government school. Why is it the students and the children of Telangana state are not taking pride in studying in the government schools, sir? The reason is that the department has been neglected, the schools are neglected, but sir, at the same time, everybody criticizes the government, everybody criticizes, but today I stand here and say that, sir, for every success cannot be achieved only by the government, only by a minister, only by a public representative. A responsibility lies on the principal, on the staff, and on all the members of the particular school, sir. Sir, I have earlier also spoken, sir. Everybody wants a government job. But the question here is that, कि sir, हमारे पास हम मुसलमानों में हलाल है और हराम है, सर. सर, जैसे हम अगर शराब हराम है, जुआ हराम है, जिना करना हराम है, और गोश्त जो हम खाते हैं हलाल करते हैं, तो सिर्फ शराब या जुआ ये हराम नहीं है, सर. सर, हमारे पास ये भी कहा जाता है, अब जैसे मैं अगर यहां खड़ा हूं, सर, मैं अवामी नुमाइंदा बनकर आया हूं, अवाम के मसाइल को उठाना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, और अगर मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी को नहीं उठाऊंगा, सही तरीके से नहीं निभाऊंगा, और यहां पे खड़े रहकर वो जो गरीब जिस उम्मीद से मुझे वोट दिया है उसकी आवाज को नहीं उठाऊंगा, तो मैं जो तनख्वाह आप जो मुझे एज ए लेजिस्लेचर मिल रही है, मैं ये समझता हूं कि वो भी हलाल नहीं होगी, वो हराम हो जाएगी मेरे लिए. मैं ये समझता हूं. इसलिए बड़ी दियानतदारी और पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ कोशिश करता हूं कि वो अवाम जिसने मेरे साथ उम्मीदें वाबस्ता की है उसका कुछ करूं. बट सर, आई एम सॉरी टू से, सर, सरकारी मुलाजमत के लिए भागोदौड़ करते हैं, तैयारी करते हैं, हासिल करते हैं, लेकिन सर, एवरी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय शुड बी मेड अकाउंटेबल, सर. So the reason I am saying is that, sir, I also run schools, sir. I run 10 schools, sir, free schools. Free schools, I don't charge a single paisa as a fees, sir. I have 25,000 children studying in my schools and different coachings I give them. Again, that is 25,000. 50,000 children are there, and I know, sir, I know it is very hard to run one school, sir. I know it is not that easy. So I also know that it is not easy for the government to run a school, but through you, sir, और इस असेंबली के जरिए मैं हुकूमत को बता रहा हूं कि उनको क्या करना है। तो मैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को यूज करते हुए गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल्स के प्रिंसिपल्स और टीचर्स से भी अपील करूंगा कि प्लीज प्लीज आप भी अपने स्कूल को देखिए, आप भी अपने बच्चों को देखिए, आप भी वहां के उसको स्कूल के एजुकेशन के क्वालिटी को इंप्रूव करिए, स्टैंडर्ड्स को इंप्रूव करिए। क्योंकि इनकलाबात एक वाहिद शख्स से नहीं आते। कौमों के मुकद्दर को एक शख्स बदल नहीं सकता। कौमों के मुकद्दर को बदलना है तो हम सबको मिलकर काम करना होगा। गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट होना है, प्रिंसिपल का सपोर्ट होना है, टीचर्स का होना है, लेकिन यह नहीं है। इट इज अ रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सर, of every individual, sir. Sir, I also welcome the constitution of Food Safety Committee, sir. Yes, sir. In BRS government also many incidents happen, जहां पे खाना अच्छा नहीं था, खराब हुआ। बट सर, हम बड़ी आसानी से अगर वो यहां रहे तो इन पे करेंगे, ये वहां रहे तो वो उन पे करेंगे, लेकिन हर एक के दौर में ये हुआ है। इसकी वजह यही है, सर, हाउ कैन वी मेंटेन अ क्वालिटी इन सच रेट्स? हम नहीं कर सकते। We need to have a realistic approach and accept the crude realities which we are failing to, sir. But the Food Safety Committee and the task force was needed and I welcome कि ये हुआ है, अच्छा हुआ है, सर। सर, ये implementation of common diet plan and standard operating, इसके लिए भी मैं इस्तकबाल करता हूं। ठीक है सर, आप कर रहे हैं। सर, यंग इंडिया इंटीग्रेटेड रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सेस है, ठीक है, आपने ये भी कहा है, चलिए हम इसका भी इस्तकबाल करते हैं। अम्मा आदर्शा पटशाला कमेटी है, सर। सर, इसमें ये कमेटीज बनाए गए हैं, सर। बट as just now I was hearing to my friend from BJP, he was mentioning about so many schools which do not have, the furniture, the toilet, the compound walls. The same situation is still there, sir. If I have to talk about my constituency or in Old City or in Hyderabad city, sir, there are many schools where there is no furniture. Many schools there is no fan. Sir, many schools there is no teaching faculty. Many schools do not have benches. It is so sad, sir, that they do not even have a light. So Falaknuma campus was there, sir. In my constituency, it is there. Sir, there were no fans, there were no lights. From my personal trust, I got some light bulbs and all and fans, everything. We got it done. Fine, sir. Sir, but there are many other things, sir. There is no water for girls, toilets, sir. These are the issues, sir. Major issues, sir. Sir, which needs to be attended. Why are we still lagging behind? Why as a father and I also have two children, as a father, why one father doesn't want his child, his son or his daughter to study in the government school? The reason is that the government schools lack the basic infrastructure and the basic facility and no proper teaching staff. That is why they do not want. Sir, if we take care of this, सर, महंगाई कितनी बढ़ रही है। सर, एक स्कूल की फीस 1000 रुपये 2000 रुपये महाना होती है प्राइवेट स्कूल में। अगर वही 2000 बचते हैं तो एक गरीब के 24,000 बच जाएंगे साहब महीने में। गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को इंप्रूव क्यों नहीं करते हैं, सर? सर, रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव फॉर टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, जनरल स्कूल 10,006 पोस्ट, रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल 10,225 पोस्ट वे फिल्ड। सो आई वेलकम दिस, सर। मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूं हुकूमत को। प्रमोशंस भी आपने किया है, बहुत अच्छा किया है। फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर ऑल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, यस सर, दैट इज राइट सर, बिल्कुल सही है सर। उसके लिए भी हम इस्तकबाल करते हैं कि वी बी डिमांडिंग दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाज कट, सर। सर, एट द सेम टाइम, सर, मिड डे मील्स है, प्रोविजन ऑफ क्वालिटी यूनिफॉर्म्स जो दिए हैं सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स को, अच्छा काम करे हैं, अच्छा हुआ है. But sir, again, if we have to see rupees 50 rupees to rupees 75 rupees per pair, तो ये 75 rupees में कहां से बनेगा सर? किधर से बनेगा बताइए, कौन बनाएगा? इसको भी बढ़ाने की जरूरत है सर. Sir, and at the same time, sir, the school facility maintenance grant of 136.10 crores towards the maintenance and improvement of schools for sanitation facility दिया गया. अच्छा है सर, हम इसका इस्तेकबाल करते हैं, लेकिन कितने स्कूल्स में दिया गया? सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स नहीं है सर. देयर आर नो सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स सर, स्कूल्स में नहीं है. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा, मुतालबा करूंगा, अगर आप इतने पैसे रिलीज किए हैं तो कितने स्कूल्स में दिए? हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स हैव यू कवर्ड? हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स हैव यू मेड द टॉयलेट्स? हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड विद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब? How many schools have you provided with the fans? How many schools have you provided with repairing of the toilets? This needs to be known to the people, sir. Sir, and then if we have to go, but at the same time, sir, जब मैं schools की बात करता हूं, sir, I would like to say about this Gurukulas, sir. SC Gurukulas and BC Gurukula, ST Gurukulas, minority Gurukulas, Ashram School, General Gurukulams, and KG BVP schools, model school, urban residential school, special school for blind, deaf, dumb, juvenile and sports. Sir, before going into special schools, sir, when we talk about the other residential schools, sir, it is not that I'm going to stand here and only criticize and, just pick up points. Sir, in the note given by Madam, I was expecting and I was hoping that she would give the details of all the students who were successful in securing or clearing the IIT, the IIMs, the NEET, the MSET, and all other competitive exams. And I would say, Alhamdulillah, sir, the residential schools have given a wonderful result, sir. Wonderful results, I would say. In my constituency, in Barkas Residential School, sir, three children cracked the NEET and they secure an MBBS seat in the government medical college. So this also needs to be appreciated. So using this forum from this house, I congratulate all the teachers and all the officers responsible for the success of these students, sir. I congratulate them. It's a wonderful work that they have done. From the residential schools, those children are clearing the competitive exams and they're going, sir. ये बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है. Sir, at the same time, when I congratulate, sir, I think it is my moral responsibility to also thank the ex-Chief Minister, Mr. KCR Sahab, for constructing the Anisul Guruba, sir. Wonderful building has come up there, sir. I thank him very much. And in that Anisul Guruba, now Telangana Minority Residential School is running, sir. Children are staying there. Children are getting educated there. But at the same time, sir, that center is for the orphan children and the children of the poorest of the poor, like daily laborers. They, when they go for a job in the morning, they come and they drop their child there at Anisul Guruba and they do their job और काम से वापसी के वक्त बच्चे को फिर घर लेके जाते थे. आज अनीसुल गुरबा में वो काम नहीं हो रहा है. सर, अनीसुल गुरबा के लिए, यतीमों के लिए बनाया गया, गुरबा के लिए बनाया गया. आज जिस पर्पस के लिए बनाया गया वो पर्पस नहीं हो रहा है उसमें. व्हाई इज इट, सर? सर, एंड उसके बाद में अनीसुल गुरबा की एक मैनेजिंग कमेटी बनाई गई थी. सर, आई वॉज ऑल्सो द मेंबर ऑफ दैट. I don't know when that committee was abolished or finished or ended. I don't know who's seeing it. I mean, we are not invited for any meetings. Our suggestions are not being taken, sir. Sir, when I talk about Timmeries, sir, through you, I would request the Honorable Minister, when she's going to give a reply, kindly tell me, madam, the entire amount for running these Gurukulas, residential school, is being given by the government treasury. And then at the end of a year, there is an auditing which has been done by CAG for all, and CAG submits a report. Sir, Speaker साहब आपको सुन के हैरत होगी सर, तेलंगाना माइनॉरिटी रेजिडेंशियल कॉलेजेस का 10 साल से ना ऑडिटिंग हुआ है, ना CAG ऑडिट, ना CAG को उसके अकाउंट्स दिए गए. Is it fair, sir? Sir, who's giving the money? The government is giving. It is going for the government treasury. And I have been continuously demanding that there should be an audit. So, 1 साल की auditing now they are doing, sir. In the last assembly I had raised, and they said, yes, we'll do 1 year's auditing. Madam, why 1 year auditing? Why not the auditing for the last 10 years? There has been misappropriation in that. उसमें बहुत सारे लोगों ने फर्नीचर के नाम पे पैसा खाया है, टीचर्स रिक्रूटमेंट के नाम पे पैसा खाया है. मैं कह रहा हूं खड़े रहकर यहां पे जिम्मेदारी के साथ कह रहा हूं, मेरे पास सारी एविडेंसेस है. क्यों उसकी इंक्वायरी नहीं होती सर? क्यों उसको CAG में नहीं लाता? एंड आई, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, अगेन आई वुड से, my learned friend, my dear friend, my colleague Sridhar Babu was there with me in the Public Accounts Committee. We passed the resolution and we moved it to the government, asking them to do the auditing of Telangana minority residential schools. Sir, अब तक नहीं हुआ सर, वो नहीं करे सर. क्यों नहीं करते हैं सर? So this is what, sir, and yes sir, these residential schools are good. I would say it needs to be strengthened and we need to support them more so that we get good results from these schools, sir. So at the same time, going further ahead, sir, special school, blind, deaf, dumb, juvenile and sports, sir. The number of institutes are 9 and the intake capacity is 830, sir. Sir, through you, I would say, sir, जैसा बहादुरपुरा है, चंद्रायन गुट्टा है, मलकपेट में एक डेफ एंड डम का और ब्लाइंड का स्कूल है. सर, वी वांट मोर स्कूल, सर. So the reason why I say that कि we require more schools is that कि in Muslim community करीबी रिश्तेदारों में शादी होती है और उसकी शादी होती है और बच्चे कई ऐसे रहते हैं जो स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन रहते हैं. Sir, I have been requesting for having a very good center on the same lines of NIMHAMS, which is there in Bangalore. We have one more center here in Secunderabad. Why can't we have a beautiful, lovely campus and a center in Old City where these special school children are being provided with all the facilities and we take care of them? It is required, sir. Sir, and when we talk about sports, sir, sports के कहाँ है सर हमारे पास, बताइए सर, sports schools कहाँ पर है? And through you, I would like to request, tall claims were made by the BRS government then, KG to PG campuses. एक भी KG PG नहीं आया सर. बार बार बोलता रहा मैं, नहीं हुआ. मगर मैं जिद्दी आदमी हूं सर, मैं बहुत जिद्दी आदमी हूं. बार बार जाकर बोला, आर्किटेक्ट को लाया, प्लान्स बनाया, KCR साहब के सामने रखा. सर, लुक एट दिस प्लान्स, ब्यूटीफुल प्लान्स. उस वक्त हमारे कड़ियम श्रीहरि साहब वो डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर, कड़ियम श्रीहरि साहब को लेकर गया, फलकनुमा कैंपस बताया, चंचलगोड़ा, ये देखिए KG to PG आप बोले इसको करेंगे, ये ड्राइंग्स है, मैं बनाया, आर्किटेक्ट से बनवाया, ऐसे वैसे. सर, नथिंग, कुछ नहीं हुआ. मगर मैं जिद्दी आदमी, मैंने कहा ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट से नहीं बनता है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं अपने से बना लूंगा. एंड आई मेड 1 KG to PG कैंपस. सर, फलकनुमा में सर, उसके बाद में sir, there is a very big campus. Land grabbers were wanting to encroach on that land and grab that land. We protected that land. So in the last session also I said, so there is one Telugu medium school in that campus. There is one English medium school. There is one primary Urdu medium, then senior school for Urdu medium once again. And it never had a junior college. Now it has a junior college. It has a degree college. It has an intermediate vocational college over there. And it also has a center for special children over there. I also got a minority residential hostel there, minority residential school there, minority residential junior college also there, sir. But sir, what is happening, sir? Funds are not being getting released. The campus is in a very bad state, sir. So several representations have been given. I request Honorable Education Minister or any minister to kindly come with me. Let us visit there and see. Sir, you would be surprised, sir. In junior college this year, sir, in this year, we had an enrollment of 5,000 students there, sir. Degree college, sir, degree college was sanctioned and degree faculty was not given. For 3 years, sir, for the degree faculty, I paid the salaries, sir, by appointing them and having a degree college there. And this year we got, sir, in degree college, in that particular campus, 2,000 girls have enrolled for a degree courses there. They're sitting down and studying, sir. Sir, they don't have a furniture there. Sir, and in that entire campus, this house would be surprised that we are housing almost some 15,000 students there in that one campus of Alaknuma. So, sir, मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं कि we have to concentrate on education, sir. This is very important. Sir, हम यहाँ पे चंचलगुड़ा के लिए बोले, sir, when I see this, sir, the list of number of institutes, sir, there is one grave injustice which has been done by the BRS government. Is that, sir? If you see the number of minority, 205, sir. Sir, degree college, दूसरे गुरु कलास में आप देखेंगे तो they have so many degree colleges, but minority में there is only one, वो भी start नहीं हुआ वो भी. Sir, I request, sir, जब treat Muslims on the same lines as what SC, ST, BCs are being treated. Why do you have to look Muslims towards a stepmotherly treatment? जब आप दूसरों के लिए जूनियर कॉलेजेस, डिग्री कॉलेजेस लाए हैं, तो माइनॉरिटी में भी डिग्री कॉलेज लाइए ना, सर. Sir, now that in Chanchalguda also degree college, sir, 60 lakhs have been required to complete the building. We have been demanding. That has not been released by the BRS government then, and still our request is going on with the Congress government. The same thing is happening, sir. I had told about the junior college, sir. Bahadurpura, we wanted junior college. Sir, you would be surprised, sir, that is an assembly constituency which doesn't have a junior college, sir. We have been representing. So, वहां पर बहादुरपुरे में हम बताए ITI का लैंड है, वहां पर आप एक जूनियर कॉलेज, डिग्री कॉलेज लाइए. हुसैनी आलम डिग्री कॉलेज है. गोलकुंडा में एक हम जूनियर कॉलेज, डिग्री कॉलेज का कैंपस लाए हैं. हम उसके बाद में, सर, we made a comprehensive plan for Nampally division wherever schools. Sir, in Bazarghat, sir, vocational school is there, and a school is there, and also junior college is there, Bazarghat, sir. Sir, what that building is in a dilapidated condition, sir. Any day it might fall. So many students are studying there. Faslan, sir, we have so many schools, sir. Bazarghat, Jhirra, sir. We have been requesting, but nobody is there to take any action in that, sir. Sir, I would say that, sir, MIM party is the party which represents the people of Old City, Muslims in particular, but we represent the people of Old City, means Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Isais, and everybody, sir. Sir, my late father used to always say that, हम ऐवानों में जाएंगे, मसाइल के लिए जिद्दोजहद करेंगे, लड़ेंगे, हुक्मरानों को मनाएंगे, हुकूमतों को मजबूर करेंगे मसाइल पर मुतवज्जो होकर मसाइल को हल करने के लिए. लेकिन हम हुकूमतों के काम के करने का इंतजार नहीं करेंगे, हमसे जो होता है हम भी करेंगे. इसलिए, सर, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द जस्टिस टू बी गिवन टू द ओल्ड सिटी स्कूल, सर, by the government, but at the same time we are constructing our own schools and we are providing free education from our own pockets, sir. 50,000 children, sir. And then we distribute guides, we distribute bags, sir. We distribute question papers to all Urdu medium schools, sir, in the entire state of Telangana, sir. Everywhere, sir. Telangana में पूरे जाते हैं, हमारे सारे MLAs जाते हैं, sir. Adilabad, Nizamabad, Bodhan, pure bags, guides, model papers, everything we distribute, sir, in Urdu medium schools, sir. Sir, when I talk about Urdu medium schools, sir, every year, sir, every year, or I would say every government has not been sincere towards the Urdu medium schools, sir. So the reason is that, sir, the reason is that कि जब कभी भी रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव आता है। अब जैसे आया है सर कि उर्दू मीडियम के पूरे स्कूल्स के लिए टीचर्स का रिक्रूटमेंट आया सर, और टीचर्स की रिक्रूटमेंट में 1000 उर्दू पोस्ट भी आए थे सर। एग्जैक्ट आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नंबर्स राइट नाउ, आई एम नॉट कैरिंग इट, बट सर 600 पर तकर्रुर हुआ, सिलेक्शन हुआ, and almost 400 posts are vacant. And I know the reason for the vacancy is that you have to follow the roster system, you have to go by the reservation policy of BC, SC, ST and all. I know that. But sir, Rajshekhar Reddy साहब जब थे, we had demanded and we have requested for de-reserving those posts. उर्दू पोस्ट को de-reserve करिए। ये बैकलॉग से कैरी फॉरवर्ड होते जा रहे हैं साहब। जब जब रिक्रूटमेंट होता है 300, 400, 200 उर्दू के पोस्ट वेकेंट रहते हैं। अब इसमें हमारे उर्दू टीचर्स डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि सेकंड मेरिट लिस्ट लाने के लिए। सर मेरा क्या है, मैं वो टेक्निकलिटी या लीगैलिटी में नहीं जाऊंगा कि सेकंड मेरिट लिस्ट आ सकती है या नहीं, या फिर ओपन कैटेगरी में लाना है। मैं ये कहूंगा सर, उर्दू के वेकेंट पोस्ट को आप फिल कीजिए सर, जो बरसों से पड़े हैं वेकेंट सर। इंसाफ करिए उर्दू के साथ। बड़ी मीठी जबान है ये, वही जबान है जिसने कभी नारा दिया था कि इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। उर्दू के साथ इंसाफ कीजिए। उर्दू के साथ इंसाफ नहीं हो रहा है। मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं, बार बार कहूंगा कि ऐसा नहीं है कि काम नहीं हुआ। उर्दू को दूसरी सरकारी जबान का मौक़िफ़ दिया बीआरएस की गवर्नमेंट, केसीआर साहब ने, शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा। लेकिन उर्दू के स्कूल और उर्दू से इंसाफ अभी भी नहीं हुआ। सिर्फ पेपर पे दूसरी सरकारी जबान आ गई सर। जब मैं उर्दू की बात करता हूं सर, पहले दिन तेलंगाना तल्ली पर ऐवान में बहस हुई सर, उर्दू में नोट नहीं आया सर। उस दिन उर्दू में नहीं आया सर। तो अब आप बताइए सर, उर्दू के साथ इंसाफ होना जरूरी है सर। मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि हुकूमत उर्दू के साथ इंसाफ करेगी, उर्दू पढ़ने वालों के साथ इंसाफ करेगी। और सर, वी हैड ऑल्सो डिमांडेड दैट कि उर्दू मीडियम के स्कूल्स और उर्दू मीडियम के जो पोस्ट है उन सारों को आप फिल करिए। लेकिन आज तक भी वो हमारा मुतालबा पूरा नहीं हुआ है। मैं आपके जरिए ये बात कहूंगा कि हम बार बार कहते हैं सर, आई हैव द CAG रिपोर्ट, आई हैव all the details sir of the vacant post and all. I don't want to go into the details sir. I don't want to go into the fact and figures sir. But sir, I would like to remind to the Congress government that you had promised that all vacant teacher posts will be filled through mega DSC within 6 months sir. 6 months बोले थे आप, 6 महीने जाकर के अब आज कितने दिन हो गए हैं वो आपको मालूम। Sir, I would also like to remind to my Congress friends that you had also promised to the people of Telangana that you would provide free internet through Wi-Fi facility will be provided to all the students. I would also like to remind that it has been promised that the increase of the allocation of budget for the education sector from present 6% to 15%. I hope that when the budget will be presented in the coming months, the government is going to fulfill this promise of having 15% allocation for the school education, sir. I also would like to remind and say that the monthly salary of midday workers would be made to 10,000. I hope this promise will also be fulfilled, sir. And also, sir, it has been promised by the Congress that monthly salary of Anganwadi teachers will be increased to rupees 18,000 and they will be brought under EPF coverage to ensure job securities. I hope that this promise will also be fulfilled, sir. It has also been promised that around 6,000 closed schools will be reopened with better facilities, sir. I hope that this promise will also be fulfilled, sir. It has also been promised, sir, 4 more IITs will be set up similarly to the Basar IIT, sir. I hope that this promise will also be fulfilled, sir. Sir, when I congratulate the government, when I also have a constructive criticism, sir, through you, I would like the Honorable Minister to please give me a reply. You have given me the list, sir. of, in the statement, sir, it has been given that how many schools are running in their own buildings, sir, rented buildings, sir, TGSWREIS, sir, institutions in own building are 133, in rented building are 135, TGTREIS, institutions in own building 120, and in rented building 35, MJPBCWREIS, own buildings 21, rented building 306, and minority residential schools, institutions in own buildings are 26 and 179 in rented building. TREIS, institutions in old building are 35 and in rented building. Sir, now if we have to see, old buildings are only 34.5% and rented building are 65.5%. Sir, I would like to know, sir, from Minister Sahiba, the first question is that, have we released the rent of all the rented buildings, sir? Honorable panel speaker, sir, the people who have rented their properties for these schools, residential schools, are daily approaching, sir. They are giving me text messages and saying, the rent has not been paid. The rent has not been paid. Akbar Saab, please raise our issue. Akbar Saab, please raise our issue. The rent has not been paid. And now what is happening, sir? In two Telangana minority residential schools, the owners have locked the building, sir. Locked the building and said, nothing doing. I won't let anybody go out, nor I will allow anybody to come in. The rent has not been paid. Sir, through you I request, please release the rent, sir. Rent दे दीजिए. परेशान है लोग. किराए के घरों के किराए में उनको किराया नहीं मिल रहा है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस ताल्लुक से देखेंगे और मैं ये भी उम्मीद करूंगा कि उर्दू के साथ इंसाफ किया जाएगा. फिर से कहूंगा कि उर्दू के जो वेकेंट पोस्ट हैं, कई ऐसे एस्पिरेंट्स हैं जिनकी उम्र जा रही है. अगर उनको नहीं मिला नौकरी, अगर इस रिक्रूटमेंट में उर्दू में नहीं आया तो वो फिर से एग्जाम नहीं लिख सकेंगे. तो काइंडली सर, एंड वंस अगेन आई वुड से दैट कि एजुकेशन has been neglected for 10 years, sir. So through you, panel speaker, sir, I request the Congress government, I request the Honorable Chief Minister Saab and Education Minister to please not to neglect the education, sir. It is very important. It is the future of our children, sir. It is the future of our nation, sir. The more educated we are. And lastly, sir, a very important point I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Minister through you, sir. Sir, there is one, sir, NIELTS, sir. Sir, this is one skill development university, sir, which is approved by the Government of India, and Government of India is also supporting that, sir. It has many courses, sir, computer courses and diplomas also they give, sir. So I request that, because this is a wonderful, NIELIT. They give some vocational training, they give some, training for diplomas for 3 years, skill development for 3 years, sir. Computer courses are there, and the courses are for 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, and 10,000, sir, and 10 standard, sir. So for this, I have, come into a collaboration, and we are having a nodal center in Old City in one of my schools, sir. In that school, sir, any child studying in our school will have some diploma certificate, sir. So I think this can be also adopted in all the residential schools. We can give them some computer training, we can give them some electronic trainings, and if my services are also required in that, I am always there, and I will do that. And it is, awareness, like, I just want to say that it is a program which is called as, NIELIT courses, the eligibility ACC. ACC is awareness and computer concept. This is for the students. This is for the student studying in 8th, 9th and 10th. And it is also for the 12th diploma ITI, also diploma UG, AICT and UG and UGC also approves it, sir. ACC course. And we have one more course which is called as BCC, Basic Computer Course, sir. This is again for 8th, 9th and 10th. And then again CCC, Course on Computer Concept. And again CCC Plus, Course on Computer Concept Plus. And there is another course, ECC, Expert Computer Course in Electronics, sir. And these are all courses for 8th, 9th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th students, sir. And you know, they don't have to pay anything, sir. Only a computer lab needs to be set up there. And teachers have to be there, sir, to teach them. And they will get one certificates, diploma certificate, sir. So I think these such courses, sir, and also, sir, you have an O-level 1-year foundation, A-level 1.5 year advanced diploma course also is available, sir. B-level 2 years MCA course and C-level 2 years MTech, equivalent to MTech, sir. Sir, such courses can be also adopted in the schools or in the government-run colleges, junior colleges and degree colleges. Ke 10th khatam karne ke baad he'll have one diploma certificate. Sir, what is happening is here is they are completing engineering but there are no jobs. He is having a degree but there is no job. So at least we can have such things, sir. And we need to work on this, sir. Sir, and there are many other things, sir, which I was wanting but I took a lot of time, sir. So I think I should thank you, Honorable panel speaker, sir, and I thank for giving me this opportunity with the hope, I would say. I always rise with the hope and I sit with the hope and I talk with the hope and I end my talk with the hope. I am a very hopeful person and I still hope that this government will do justice not only to the students of SC, BCs, minorities and we will do justice not only to Telugu medium but also will do justice to Urdu medium, sir. I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Kunamneni Samashivarao garu.
అధ్యక్ష నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు చాలా మంచి సబ్జెక్టు మీరు ఎంపిక చేశారు. అందుకు స్పీకర్ గారికి, లెజిస్లేటివ్ మినిస్టర్ గారికి, ప్రభుత్వానికి నేను కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. జనరల్గా ఏ ప్రభుత్వం అయినా సరే విద్యారంగాన్ని బాగు చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. అందులో భాగంగా కేసీఆర్ గారు కూడా ఆ రోజుల్లో చాలా చేయాలనేటువంటి తపన మొదట్లో అధికారంలోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు కనపడింది. అప్పుడు ఆయన చెప్పిన ఒక మాట కూడా గుర్తు చేస్తాను అధ్యక్ష. ప్రతి స్కూల్లో అది ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ సీఎం, ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆఫ్ సీఎం ఆర్ గ్రాండ్స్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆఫ్ సీఎం ఆర్ ఏ కామన్ మ్యాన్, all must study in one school, that is common school. So we should reach that target. So that was his saying. Accordingly, generally every government dreams high, but to achieve that dreams, to fulfill that dreams, the efforts are being made very little. So ఆయా విధంగానే కేసీఆర్ గారు చాలా కలలు కన్నారు, కానీ ఆయన ప్రాధాన్యతలు మారిపోయాయి. ఇప్పుడు మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ఆయనలో ఒక తృష్ణ, ఒక కసి కనపడతా ఉంది. కారణం అప్పుడప్పుడు ఆయన్ని మీరు చదవలేదు, మీరు సరిగ్గా మాట్లాడరు, ఇంగ్లీషు ఇవి చెప్తూ ఉంటారు. ఆయన బాగానే మాట్లాడతారు, నేను పార్లమెంట్లో విన్నాను. చాలా ఆయన్ని నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ గారు అన్నా, నేను జాగ్రత్త అన్నా, ఏం తప్పేం మాట్లాడలేదు. అయినా ఆయన ప్రభుత్వ స్కూల్లో చదివి పట్టుదలగా ఆ మేరకు వచ్చి ఇవాళ ఆయన కసిగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో విద్యారంగాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేయాలనేటువంటి ఒక పట్టుదల ఆయన కనపడుతుంది. అందులో భాగంగానే స్కిల్ యూనివర్సిటీ కానీ, స్పోర్ట్స్ యూనివర్సిటీ కానీ, ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ స్కూల్స్ కానీ, నిజంగా నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇది వచ్చేటప్పుడు తెలుసుకున్నాను. ఈ మెనూకి సంబంధించి 4 రోజులు చికెన్ కర్రీ, 2 days అది మన మటన్ కర్రీ, ఎవ్రీడే ఒక ఎగ్గు, ఆ విధంగా అలాగే ఛార్జెస్ పెంచారు. ఇంకా చాలా చాలా చేయాలనేటువంటి తపన కనపడతా ఉంది. కానీ ఇది ఎంత మేరకు సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది అనేది స్టిల్ ఐ డౌట్. వై? బికాజ్ ఇప్పుడు అటువంటి ఆ కాంక్ష, ఆ కోరిక ఒక ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారి దగ్గర ఉంటే చాలదు, పై నుంచి క్రింది వరకు ఆ తపన ఉండాలి. మన దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి దురవస్థ ఈ మన రాష్ట్రంలో కానీ మన భారతదేశంలో కానీ ఏమిటంటే ఆరంభం చాలా గొప్పగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ అనుభవంలో ఆచరణలో nobody takes it seriously. What we said, we ourselves don't take it seriously. So that is going on. That's why we are facing this kind of plight in the country, అధ్యక్ష. మన భారతదేశంలో వాస్తవంగా అన్ని రకాల సంపద ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా మనం అనేక దేశాల కంటే ఇప్పుడు కూడా విద్యారంగంలో వెనకబడి ఉన్నాం. ఎక్కడైతే విద్యారంగంలో వెనకబడి ఉన్నామో, ఏ సమాజం అయితే వెనకబడి ఉంటుందో, ఏ దేశం అయితే వెనకబడి ఉంటుందో, ఆ దేశం మిగిలిన చిన్న దేశాలతో కూడా మనం కంపీట్ చేయలేని పరిస్థితిలోకి వస్తున్నాం. కారణం ఏమిటి అనేది మనం ఒకసారి ఆలోచన చేస్తే, మొత్తంగా చూస్తే మనకు స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చి 78 ఏళ్ళు అయింది. లిటరసీ రేట్ వాళ్ళ లెక్కల ప్రకారంగా దేశంలో 67% ఉంది. దానిలో ప్రాక్టికల్గా చదవటం రాయటం వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ ప్రకారంగా 40 and odd. రియలిస్టిక్గా పోతే సొంత భాష తెలుగు 100% రాయగలిగిన వాళ్ళు, తెలుగు 100% చదవగలిగిన వాళ్ళు మాతృభాష, లేకపోతే ఇంగ్లీషు